So what is self-hosting? Self-hosting means running n8n on your own system. Technically, you could use your personal computer, but your workflows stop the moment you shut it down. It also eats resources and poses security risks since most machines aren't built for 24/7 uptime. A better option is a virtual private server, or VPS. With a VPS, you get a dedicated remote computer system that runs nonstop, stays secure, and keeps your personal files separate, all while using n8n for free. Self-hosting has big perks. It's cheaper, about $5 a month for a VPS, and n8n is free. No limits on workflows or executions, full control over hardware and updates. Install any custom nodes you want. Your data stays private, and you'll pick up some useful DevOps skills along the way. But it's not all smooth sailing. Setup and maintenance are on you. That means updates, security, and scaling. There's no official support, and if your server crashes, so do your workflows. Until you fix it. Think of it like coffee. Self-hosting is like brewing at home. It's cheaper and customizable, but you have to do the work and maintain the coffee maker. n8n Cloud is like buying coffee from a cafe. It's pricier, but someone else handles everything so you can focus on more important things, like building automations. If you're interested in self-hosting, I have a whole separate video on how to set that up in under 5 minutes for less than $5 per month. Go ahead and click the video thumbnail on your screen or the link in the description below to get started.